Bird Show. Today is Friday, August 19th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Voting for Falcon name has been extended through next Thursday. Oh man, I was really looking forward to that.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 75 degrees.
Today in history, in 1934, the first All-American Soapbox Derby is held in Ohio. Wow, that's really interesting.
Today's lunch options are chicken nuggets or nachos.
Yum.
Yum, I love nachos.
Delicious. Bet you didn't know, a whale's heart can weigh up to almost 400 pounds. That's about 640 times heavier than a human's heart.
God, it's really heavy.
That's
insane.
Think about how heavy an elephant is.
Wow. Weird but true. A bakery in Missouri launched a donut 97,000 feet into space with a helium weather balloon.
What?
That is so crazy.
So there's a
Crazy
thing called a
and
space-
weird.
So there's a thing called a space donut now? Awesome.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Bailey, what starts with an E, ends with an E, and only has one letter in it?
I don't know what.
An envelope.
That's funny.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Bailey.
That's Larry. And
That's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.